These are the most important ones to purchase when you're a beginner. You need the more tape or retractable tape, which is better. I think retractable is better. It's safer to have under pattern paper, since you can't accidentally cut into it the way you can with regular tape. It's also safer because even if it hides under fabric, it's protected from a hot iron. You won't accidentally iron over it the way you would with regular tape. Retractable tape is the better choice. Reading it back, here's the teaching point worth adding. The risk with regular tape isn't the tape itself, it's that it sits exposed on your work surface where your scissors or iron can reach it without warning. Retractable tape solves this because the blade or casing keeps the sticky section tucked away when you're not using it, so it's not lying around waiting to get cut or melted. That one habit, retracting it the second you're done, can save you from ruining both your pattern paper and your fabric in the same session.